Good morning, my dear children. Hope you are all keeping fine. Last class, we had already studied about computer, the working of a computer, and also software and hardware. Isn't it? So, what is a hardware? The physical devices of a computer that we can touch and see are called hardware. For example, CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Isn't it? Then what is a software? It is a set of instructions given to a computer to do a specific task. For example, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, like that. This we had already studied in the last class. Here we can start the applications of computers. Okay, computers are seen everywhere in our day-to-day life. Here we can study about the areas they are widely used. The areas they are widely used. At home we are using computers for many purposes. Isn't it? Likewise, schools, hospitals, films, then offices, banks, then library, science and technology, then shops and hotels, then for designing areas, then medias and also research centers. So these are the areas where computers are used widely. Okay, thank you. Computers are widely used in some areas. Computers are being used almost everywhere in our day-to-day life. At home, we use computers to play games, listen to music, watch movies and cartoons, type letters and numbers, draw pictures and color. In schools, computers are used to teach different subjects for preparing lessons, report cards and timetables, and also to maintain circulars, account details, etc. Hospitals. In hospitals, computers are used to maintain medical records and treatment details of patients. Nowadays, many operations are performed with the help of computers. Media. While making feature films, cartoon films or any animation films, computers are used. And special effects are added in movies. And to create characters and scenes of flood, fire and storm, sound, movement and expressions are given to cartoon characters with the help of computers. Banking. Computers are used in banks to operate ATM and to provide internet banking facilities, and is used to keep records of account holders, include details of money deposited or withdrawn from any account. Offices. Computers are used in offices to make and keep records of office documents and to maintain employees' personnel and salary records. In libraries, computers are used to get access to a library's book database. A library's computerized book database makes it easier to keep records of books issued and returned. Science and technology. In space research programs, small errors or miscalculations can create serious problems. Computers provide fast, accurate and flexible ways of handling data. Designing. In this field, computers are used. Architects use to design houses and buildings. Engineers use to design cars, scientific apparatus and equipments. Fashion designers use to design garments. Shops and hotels. Computers used in shops and hotels to keep records of items and to generate bills, to keep salary details of employees and to manage data of employees and customers.